Martin, on his recent visit to our home, very quickly opened our eyes to a number of possibilities, and in particular, the greater use of the space and light we just hadn't been maximising. With some clever and practical changes, and very much with our own input, he has given us a far better layout without the need to extend the property. This is a real plus. He also pointed out a number of energy savings ideas, which we really liked. We're very much conscious of a green environment. The cost of this building project was also far less than we had been budgeting for, so we can put some of these savings to greater use in terms of fit out and so on. We also like the idea that Martin and his experienced team at Insulex can deliver the project from start to finish. We're really looking forward to getting going with this project and enjoying the finished product.